Assalamualaikum everybody. My name is Asiyah. My name is Soraya. And today we are going to make slime. What we'll need is 1 cup of clear Elmer's glue, food coloring, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, which is also equal to 1.25 milliliters of baking soda, and Contact Lens Solution. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure you have a bowl underneath to make sure that the baking soda doesn't get spilled. Now mix until all of it is dissolved. Once that's all done, we're adding some activator. A little bit at a time. A little at a time. Soraya's going to mix and I'm going to pour. Make sure that you don't put too much. If you put too much, it might not become just slime. It's just going to be a whole bunch of rubber. And this is how our slime finished.